Hello everyone, hope you're fine. In my today's video tutorial, I will show you how you can fix the camera problem in your device OPPO Reno 7 Lite and 7 Pro. So if in this device, if you're having any problem related to the camera of the device or the camera app, you can fix it by following the few steps as I will tell you. So before we move to the video, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. You have to follow the steps, watch the video, and you will learn how you can fix the camera app problem in your these devices. Let's watch the video.